May I declare the convocation open?
अरे हाँ भाई वही है।
नया क्या फिर कोई
चालू कर दिया। अरे यार अभी तो टाइम लग रहा है। चलो ठीक है।
What they are trying to say is that the name, the pictures. With the permission of the Chancellor, may I declare the convocation open? I request the Chancellor and Vidya Balan to light the lamp, please.
कुन्देन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना.
I request the Chancellor to welcome the guests.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, dear friends, family of Vidya, very, very warm welcome to all of you on this August occasion. To Vidya Balan, as we confer today the honorary degree of Doctor of Arts, to Vidya, who has given a new stature to women-oriented cinema and to the creative arts at large. I would like to share some thoughts with all of you here, because all of you have something to do with education. In everyone's family, you have a son, a daughter, a sister, a brother going to school or to college. So I believe that all of you will be a very interested and involved audience in what I have to share with all of you today. An honorary degree is awarded by a university to recognize and honor the worthy actions and excellent accomplishments of an individual that benefit a community, society, nation, or humanity in general. This is not just a prerogative of a university, but it also says something about the very role of a university in society. I believe that the role of the universities, especially so in the changing world order, is not to remain status quoists. Instead, universities have to lead the change. And what does leading the change mean? It means that we have to look forward, we have to show new directions, and we have to also inspire the action in that new direction. Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji once addressed us and shared with us his vision of what the role of universities should be like. and he said, "The role of the universities should be to assess and anticipate in advance the various kinds of gaps and needs that exist in our society and take steps to address them through a variety of measures." Described thus, universities indeed have a huge leadership role to play, especially towards changing hearts and shaping mindsets. Rai University recognizes that, and that is why we are committed, A, to the spirit of innovation among our youth, and B, to the cause of inclusion of the underprivileged in every sphere of life. Through our massive scholarships program, we provide completely free education to underprivileged and orphan girls. Today, we will launch one more scholarship as the Vidya Balan University Scholarship for completely free education for a girl every year. We further mainstream these underprivileged girls into the global environment through the many initiatives of the All Ladies League, the world's largest network of women from all spheres of life. We also believe in nurturing in our youth a capacity for innovation. But we have seen through the years and through our experience that we can only nurture this capacity for innovation when we will resolve in our hearts and minds that artificial divide between the so-called arts and the so-called sciences. We all need to get rid of the feeling that science is for the bright and arts is for the laggards. Nothing could be further away from the truth. Throughout history, men and women of excellence were never too narrowly focused on either. In fact, they were aware of many fields at once. Leonardo da Vinci, known as the greatest artist ever, was equally a remarkable philosopher, an architect, and a scientist. Galileo, one of the most significant people in the history of science, was actually an adept artist and a very passionate musician. Famous German playwright Goethe had actually studied law and written extensively on subjects like geology, anatomy, and botany. Margaret's background influenced her politics very much, as that are otherwise part and parcel of the of us is as follows. As a society, as parents, as teachers, as institutions, as policymakers, as schools, and as universities, we need to all collectively come together in the awareness that the sciences and the art are for the benefit of all society. Only then can we inspire the fullness of understanding of life among our children, and only then can we deliver holistic and lasting solutions. The world's premier institution for science, technology, engineering, and so at MIT today, they insist that all their engineering students must also take an almost equal number of courses in the various arts and humanities. This is because MIT has realized that today we have to nurture leadership and holistic thinking among our students so that whatever research they do, whatever inventions they have, and whatever innovations they bring about. My practice as a physician requires not only medical knowledge, but also an acute ability to interpret. In conclusion, I would like to remind all of us here the beautiful Rig Vedic verse that says, Ano Bhadra Kritvo Yantu Vishvata. Let goodness and excellence come.
An exceptionally talented actress and a torchbearer for women across the world, You are a path breaker and change maker in both cinema and society. With your undaunted persona and passion to deliver with a distinct approach, you have created new facets for feminism in Indian cinema. Your depiction of critically acclaimed, realistic, inspiring, and strong women characters has won you accolades from world over. You have led the change for perspectives around womanhood in society through your ardor for films and penchant for real-life inspired characters. In stature to women-oriented cinema in India. Ishqiya, No One Killed Jessica, The Dirty Picture, to Kahani, you have been persistently creating magic on the silver screen and ceaselessly winning hearts and minds. Destined to be associated with some great unconventional films, you became the blessed force for changing perception around female roles in the film industry. Your extensive body of work includes some epic drama, beautiful love stories, brilliant and inspiring biopics, thrillers, and comedy, visualization, and unmatched performance. Your rare strength to explore new perspectives in female actors. You've been honored globally and have represented Saraswati and Shri P.R. Balan the honorary degree of Doctor of Arts. May I now request Dr. Vidya Balan to say a few words.
Honorable Chancellor, and all of you present here today, including my dearest family, I'm so overwhelmed, I don't know what to say. People who know me know that I'm rarely tongue-tied, but today is one of those rare occasions when I find myself at a complete loss of words. I'm deeply grateful to Rai University for this honor, and I'm extremely proud to be receiving the Honorary Doctor of Arts. Oh my God, that sounds... that sounds very big. I had never imagined that I'd be standing here, that I'd be introduced as Dr. Vidya Balan someday, or maybe I had, you know, that is a power of true desire when Paulo Coelho said, when you truly want something, the universe conspires to give it to you. Maybe this is what he meant. I was 9 years old. My dad had a massive heart attack. Thankfully, he survived it, and he's sitting here. But at that time, all I wanted to be was a doctor, a cardiologist. And for 2 years, I was obsessed with the idea of being a doctor. 2 years later, Ek Do Teen happened, and in Ek Do Teen, that desire to be a doctor just evaporated. But I had put out the desire in the universe, and therefore today, I've been conferred with this honor. So much has been said, and I really don't know how to react, except to say that my parents gave me the wings to fly. They make me me, and I feel so blessed to have been born into that family, where I was always taught to be nothing but an individual. As two girls, my sister and me, we were told that the world is your oyster, and go and conquer the world. And that's what each of us has tried to do in our own small way. It's also, I've never been this incoherent. I'm surprised, I'm amazed. All this 11-year-old wanted to do was be a film actor, and I didn't know how that was going to be possible. I knew there were no courses where I could enroll, or which I could enroll into, that would prepare me to be an actor. And the world of cinema was one that we perceived as a big, bad world full of wolves. But I think my parents had faith in the values they'd instilled in me. And they told me, whatever you do, just do with complete conviction and faith. And I went about doing that. There were disappointments, there was heartbreak at various points. But my faith has held me in good stead. 10 years and many films down the line, I just feel nothing but gratitude to God, to my family, to all those people I've worked with who believed in me, who nurtured me, who brought out the best in me. And I hope that millions of girls the world over, especially in our country, get the same kind of opportunities that I did. I'm very, very honored that Rai University has instituted a scholarship program, a scholarship in my name, whereby a girl child will receive free education, higher education for a period of 3 years. And my work gains that much more meaning with every little appreciation and encouragement of this sort. I just want to thank each of you who's present here this evening. And I'm probably going to just ramble on meaninglessly. But all I can say, it comes right from the heart, and I hope to live up to this honor that has been bestowed upon me. Doctor of Art, I hope, or I think films give us the chance to be a doctor of hearts. And I hope to be able to do that for the rest of my life. I hope to enjoy the love and blessings of everyone like I have for the past 10 years. And my husband's going to be extremely embarrassed, but I have to say something about him. Since Siddharth has come into my life, I've become a better person. And I hope I always have you in my life, that's all. I can assure you I will always be there. There's no running away from me. And to my precious gems, Ira and Ruhan, you can call me Dr. Vidya from today, Dr. Abida. Love you all. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Dr. Vidya. May I now request the Chancellor to permit me to declare the convocation closed. Kindly rise for the national anthem, please. We are now open to question answers and photo op. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, hello.
समीक्षा मैम सामने, समीक्षा मैम, डॉक्टर समोर बघा, डॉक्टर विद्या मैम सामने, समीक्षा
अरे बॅटरी काढायला वेळ नाही. अरे यार तो देसाई बघ, देसाई बघ. हा देसाई वा वा. हे म्हणजे दोघांच्या डायरी पिक्चर मध्ये आमचे वेळ लागतात.
उल्लेखच तू काढ असे बीट 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 गाणं जाऊ नको
पुढे जाते
चेअरच्या पाठीने पण चेअरला
ओके ओके. ते आईचा पिक्चर गेला तिकडे, आईने कॉपी घेतली. काढला काढला बघ. एक वेळा प्रेम मारतो मी साहेब. हे पवे ए थांब, मी बसलो तुला नाही. सॉरी
विद्याजी डॅडी को आगे
संतोष, संतोष जा पुढे. अरे संतोष पूर्ण आले पाठी बाबू.
चले बाबा ये लग्नाचा फोटो घ्या.
संजना पीछे थोड़ी
सुनील हात येतोय. एक मिनिट
क्या बोल के देते एक आवाज दे रही है, एक राव इधर से.
मॅडम मॅडम विद्याजी
चक्कर मध्ये भेज दिला
चक्कर नाही.
ये दादा एक सेकंड
आता पुढे जाइए इधर.
ए लोंडे, हा सुनील हात येतोय. अरे थांब ना, लोंडे अरेंज करते. हा डायरेक्टर रजनीश लोंडे डायरेक्टर.
पुढे कशाला बोलतोय.
हे वाईट आहे ना.
ये रजनीश, ये रजनीश मुझे तो घेतोय खरा क्रॉप होईल तेरे फ्रेम आवाज कुछ लाएगा. विद्याजी 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 विद्याजी
हा एक नॉर्मल
विद्याजी 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 यहाँ पर
डॉक्टर विद्याजी
डॉक्टर विद्याजी सामने. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, हमें पार्टी चाहिए.
अरे लेकिन क्यों.
You want some water?
नहीं आई एम गुड. आप ले लो.
आप बैठ जाओ ना उधर. दादा बैठ जाओ ना.
Would there be some questions and answers, please?
हाय विद्या, डॉक्टर विद्या.
हाय आलोक.
हाय, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ.
हाँ, अभी आप थोड़ी और बेहतर हो गई हैं. नहीं तो पहले थोड़ी सी नर्वस हो रही थी. सवाल ये है कि ऐसा मौका पहले कभी आया था स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, जब पूरी फैमिली हो और आप इस तरीके से मंच पे हो और उनको फेस करना पड़ा हो आपको?
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं सही बताऊं, शायद मैं नर्वस हो गई क्योंकि मेरी पूरी फैमिली यहाँ है. हाँ, ऐसे मौके रहे हैं जब मेरी पूरी फैमिली रही है, पर अब वो पूरी फैमिली और बड़ी हो गई है शादी के बाद. तो थोड़ी और नर्वसनेस भी बढ़ गई है. पर अब मैं ये ठीक से बोल पा रही हूँ. बेहद खुशी हो रही है, गर्व महसूस हो रहा है. मैं राय यूनिवर्सिटी की तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। इतना बड़ा सम्मान इस उम्र में और करियर के इस मोड़ पे, जबकि मैंने 10 साल कंप्लीट किए हैं फिल्म्स में। 10 जून को मेरे 10 साल कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे और 12 जून को एक बहुत ख़ास फिल्म मेरी, बहुत दिल के करीब फिल्म हमारी अधूरी कहानी रिलीज़ हो रही है। तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है, शायद मैं शब्दों में एक्सप्रेस ना कर पाऊँ। हाँ उषा।
हाय विद्या, जैसा आपका नाम है विद्या, और यहाँ पर ये कहा गया है कि आपके नाम से फ्री एजुकेशन दिया जाएगा लड़कियों को, तो आपको लगता है कि आपका नाम सार्थक हो गया?
बिल्कुल। मैं आपके साथ एक इंसिडेंट शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मैं स्कूल में थी और 9th स्टैंडर्ड में थी और बहुत शोर शराबा हो रहा था क्लास में। हमारी प्रिंसिपल जो हैं क्लास के अंदर आई और उन्होंने देखा कि मैं ये शोर शराबा का एक हिस्सा हूँ और मैं कुछ कर रही थी मस्ती। तो उन्होंने कहा, अपने नाम का मतलब समझती हो? मैंने कहा हाँ। कहा विद्या का मतलब क्या है? मैंने कहा नॉलेज। सो शी सेड, तुम्हारे तो पास से भी नहीं गुजरी है नॉलेज। आज मैं उनसे जाके कहना चाहूँगी कि मुझे इतने बड़े सम्मान से नवाजा गया है और मेरी माँ के लिए और मेरी फैमिली के लिए एजुकेशन सबसे अहम था। एक्चुअली ये साउथ इंडियन ट्रेडिशन है, एजुकेशन से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट और कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती। और जबकि मैं मानती हूँ कि हरबीन और मैं बात कर रहे थे कि बहुत सारे स्किल्स होते हैं, जिस तरह से हम एजुकेशन को परसीव करते हैं वो एक तरह से लिमिटिंग हो जाता है, क्योंकि अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग स्किल्स होते हैं। फिर भी मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ। तो मैंने कहा कि ठीक है, माय पेरेंट्स सेड एक्टिंग करनी है कर लो, पर एजुकेशन बेसिक ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैंने तो मास्टर्स कर ली, सोशियोलॉजी में मैंने अपनी मास्टर्स कर ली, पर academics have been most important and therefore I feel that has made a huge difference in my life. मैं ये तय कर पाई हूँ कि मेरे लिए क्या सही है, मुझे क्या सही लगता है। मैं ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारे चॉइसेस मैंने किए हैं जो शायद ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मेरे लाइफ में नहीं होते तो मैं नहीं ले पाती, अगर ये एजुकेशन के थ्रू अवेयरनेस ना होता। क्योंकि सिर्फ हम लिटरेसी की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, एजुकेशन इज़ ऑल एनकम्पसिंग। सो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव had this educational background and then to have this academic recognition as the Doctor of Arts is really very, very humbling.
अच्छा विद्या, आपको क्या लगता है, पहले एक वक्त था जब औरतों को या लड़कियों को एक्टिंग की तरफ आना अच्छा नहीं माना जाता था, अच्छे परिवार की लड़कियां नहीं आया करती थी। आपको जिस तरह का अवार्ड मिल रहा है, जिस तरह से ऑनर मिल रहा है, तो लगता है कि अब वो चीज़ें वैसे खुल चुका है और ज़्यादा खुलेगा, इस तरह की उस तरह की और अच्छी परिवार की लड़कियाँ आएंगी?
हाँ, मैं तो कहूँगी कि वही होता आ रहा है कुछ सालों से मतलब कुछ ये जो धारणा है लोगों की वो बदल रही है। पहले लगता था कि और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जैसे आर्ट्स के बारे में भी ये था, अच्छा आपको अगर ज़्यादा मार्क्स नहीं आए या ज़्यादा पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो तो आर्ट्स कर लो ना, कोई नहीं है। आर्ट्स की कोई वैल्यू नहीं थी, ऐसी एक्टिंग की भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं। बाकी सब आपने प्रोफेशंस ट्राई कर लिए और कहीं आपका कुछ हुआ नहीं तो फिर आप एक्टर बन जाओ। एक्टर तो कोई भी बन सकता है, इसीलिए वैल्यू बहुत कम थी एक्टर्स की। बट आई थिंक आई हैव सीन दैट चेंज एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ माई कंटेम्प्रेरीज have contributed to this changing perception of the female actor. And I feel very proud to be working in films at this time.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dr. Vidya, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, since you were talking about values, your parents must have definitely inculcated all the ethical values as you were talking to us yesterday also. Would you reminisce something and tell us in particular?
Oh God. You know, if you had to, I think first and foremost, my parents have instilled that honesty is really always the best policy, even though sometimes it's really difficult to be absolutely honest. And most importantly, be honest to yourself. I think that's what I've tried to do so far. You know, I try and be honest to myself first and foremost, and then everything else follows. And that if you respect yourself, you will respect others. So they've never told me that you must respect everyone. They've always told me that if you respect yourself, you will respect everyone else. Yeah.
हेलो विद्या जी, आरती सक्सेना।
Hi.
हाय। आपके हिसाब से आप तो पढ़ी लिखी हैं, लेकिन इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं हीरोइंस हैं जो नहीं पढ़ी लिखी हैं, तो आपके हिसाब से एक हीरोइन का शिक्षित होना कितना ज़रूरी है?
शिक्षित होना तो सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम लिटरेसी लेवल्स को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं देश भर में, पर अगर मैं समझती हूँ कि मैं कॉलेज गई, इस वजह से मैंने वो ज़िंदगी जी जो कॉलेज के बाहर नहीं मिलती। जिस तरह से आपकी पर्सनालिटी ब्लूम करती है कॉलेज में और कहीं नहीं होता, तो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि सभी को ये जिस तरह से हम लोग ग्रेजुएशन करना चाहिए, या पर जिस चीज़ में आपकी दिलचस्पी है उसको आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए। और इट्स ग्रेट दैट इवन राय यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ वेरियस कोर्सेज फॉर वेरियस स्किल सेट्स। सो सिर्फ बीए कर लो या फिर बीएससी कर लो या बीकॉम कर लो, इस तरह से ढांचे में ढालने की हमको कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए। पर आई थिंक एजुकेशन मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस।
और आपके नाम से जो स्कॉलरशिप जा रही है लड़कियों को, तो इसके अलावा फ्री एजुकेशन की तरफ आप कितना ध्यान दे पाएंगे? लड़कियों को फ्री एजुकेशन भी देनी चाहिए।
मैं समझी नहीं।
स्कॉलरशिप्स तो दे रहे हैं, जो बच्चे पढ़ने में होशियार होंगे उनको आप स्कॉलरशिप देंगे, बराबर? लेकिन फ्री एजुकेशन
नीड बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप है, जो अंडर प्रिविलेज जो अपने लिए स्कॉलरशिप के लिए पे नहीं कर पाएंगे। हाँ, 12वीं कक्षा तक उनकी पढ़ाई होनी ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज वो एक स्टिपुलेशन है एंट्री रिक्वायरमेंट कॉलेज में जाने के लिए। लेकिन जो ऑर्फन बच्चियां हैं और जो अंडर प्रिविलेज मार्जिनलाइज सेक्शन, इकोनॉमिकली अंडर प्रिविलेज सेक्शन से आती हैं, चाहे उनके 40% नंबर ही क्यों ना आए हों, उनको हम लोग लेते हैं पूरी तरह से। कोई भी कोर्स जो वो कर पाएँ उसमें डालते हैं। इंग्लिश की खास उनको ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, बिकॉज मेरी खास दोस्त नहीं है अंग्रेज़ी भाषा, लेकिन आज की इंडस्ट्री में ज़रूरी है। तो हमने देखा है जो बच्चियाँ अच्छी अंग्रेज़ी बोलती हैं, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होती हैं, उनके लिए जॉब मार्केट ज़्यादा खुली रहती है और उनको ज़्यादा जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं इसलिए। और विद्या जी के नाम से जो स्कॉलरशिप है, उसमें वो हर साल एक लड़की को विद्या बालन यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप हर साल, चाहे वो 3 साल का कोर्स हो या 4 साल का कोर्स हो, उसके लिए नॉमिनेट कर सकती हैं। वो हमेशा ज़्यादा भी कर सकती हैं।
Thank you.
We have Sonali who has topped at 98% in the boards, who wants to ask a question.
Oh, wow,
98%.
congratulations.
She is 5th ranked in the country.
My God.
Congratulations, ma'am. I just wanted to ask you, further now, in your movies, I guess your title will now be Dr. Vidya Balan Roy Kapoor, right?
I think that will become too long a name. You know, तब तक फिल्म खत्म हो जाएगी शायद, तो we'll, I guess, for credit purposes, we'll stick to Vidya Balan. And congratulations.
congratulations, Vidya.
Thank you.
Have you ever been in the top 5 rankers in your academics in school? And is there a
And
mischievous side
despite
of
that, despite that, I'm a doctor today. No, I haven't ever been amongst the top 5 in my class. I was a decent student, if I may say so, above average, but I've never understood this number game and I've never vied for it either, even in school and college, and that continues even now.
So you were a mischievous, you were on the mischievous side?
Oh, Dad.
Were you on the mischievous side? Have you ever been, getting remarks in your calendars or something of that sort?
No, actually, I think I was fairly calm. I was not notorious, or I wasn't really naughty in that sense. But I participated in a lot of activities in school, whatever I could. And yeah, I was a prefect most of the time. I was a class monitor. So I think I was on the other side. I would write everyone's names diligently on the board when they spoke.
And since you mentioned in the very beginning that you have a film coming out which is the most closest to your heart, so why hasn't there been any promotions, promotional activity for the film as yet?
We have been doing interviews, and that's the extent to which we are going to promote the film, because people have reacted overwhelmingly to the trailer and the songs. And I think the film will draw people into the theaters, We're not going to hard sell. This is a film that doesn't need hard selling. It's only heart selling again. Thank you.
Vidya, your initiative of cleanliness in rural areas has inspired one girl from West Bengal. उसने अपनी शादी तोड़ दी क्योंकि उसके होने वाले इन-लॉज के घर पर वॉशरूम नहीं था. तो what's your reaction on that? Like, it's a good news for you, or?
It's great. It's very gratifying. It's very fulfilling to know that something that I've been part of has had such a strong impact, and it's far-reaching. We're getting news from various parts of the country, similar stories, and it's really extremely fulfilling. I recently heard that a girl from Maharashtra was given a portable toilet as a wedding gift by her parents because there was no toilet in her marital home. So I think boon boon se banta hai sagar. Hopefully we'll get rid of open defecation by 2019, like our Honorable Prime Minister has been saying.
Hi Vidya, this is Ishan from News Express. विद्या, एक चीज़ जानना चाहते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया कि पर्सनल लाइफ में आपके पेरेंट्स, आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग बहुत मायने रखती है. प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की अगर बात करें तो आप किसको, ये 10 साल आपने कंप्लीट किया, आप किसको क्रेडिट देना चाहेंगी, या कौन था वो गुरु जिसने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया इस बॉलीवुड की दुनिया में?
आई थिंक फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट प्रदीप सरकार, दादा. उन्होंने मुझ में विश्वास, उन्होंने मुझ पर विश्वास नहीं किया होता तो मैं आज यहाँ नहीं बैठी होती. प्रदीप सरकार. Yes, please. Yes. Jigar. Thank you. Oh God. अब मैं क्या कहूँ, हर मर्ज की दवा नहीं है मेरे पास. Thank you all very, very much. Thank you.